Alright, so here we are, 410 Blvd. So we come in the front door. You have the living room area. This is where your good view is. Space back here. And you got the office. So let's take a look at this view. So you got an empty lot there, which is nice. And there's your ocean. Looks like they're painting the building next door. And then you have a little breakfast nook, where your view is even better. It's kind of a gray day, so the beach doesn't look as great as it normally would. You can see the cruise ships parked out there. So your view is on the north side, so you don't get to see the pool, which is in the middle of the building. Here's your kitchen. Definitely, older countertops and cabinets. Going down the hall, we have a bedroom here. We got carpet. Decent sized closet. We got a bathroom again. Pretty original. It's probably totally original. Counter, sink, tile. Then we have the master. Same deal. Looks all original. And this would be the master bedroom. Popcorn ceiling. You may notice we haven't seen a laundry room. The laundry room is at the end of the hallway on each floor, which is nice that it's on each floor. So here's your view from the master. So yeah, great view, right on the beach, priced less than some of the other ones, and that's going to be because it hasn't been updated a whole lot, but it's totally livable, move in ready. Looks like someone is living here. There's food and stuff in the refrigerator, so it's not something that needs total rehab or anything like that right away. So yeah, nice affordable beach condo. Ready for a new owner. Let's do that view one more time. I say kind of a gray day, but these windows, these are actually updated double pane impact windows. So that's actually a major thing that is important. You can see some of these other ones have older windows, but these have been updated, so that is a big plus. Those are expensive. Let me make sure they were done everywhere. Yup. And yeah, these are all updated windows. So there you go. I'll get this video over to you ASAP.